I know usually, I know I've not been in a reception that actually has shared a little bit of information, but before the poets bring their interpretation, I would like to share with you a few thoughts about what my artwork is about to me. Because we all see things differently, it's going to be different to the poets, and that's how it's supposed to be. So, land and sea. Sorry, I'm reading. Painting for me is about paying attention, showing up, landing and seeing like listening. It is said that watercolor painting requires a lot of planning, but there is no master plan in what I see, nor in my painting process. Instead, I've developed methods that allow me to start softly, lightly, and allow the painting process to develop with my increasing awareness of the subject. So that meaning, when I start, I don't hardly know what I'm going to paint. And as I go through the process, I discover a wealth of things. And in this process, I start to be amazed and love what I'm seeing. The land and all on it, including the dog walker. Of course, painting is not all plain sailing. It is such a challenge to translate what I see. And we all see a little differently. My goal is to paint a parallel image, the same way a poet or a musician would create. Something that will make a place or an event actually more real to us fellow humans than a photograph. When I wait for the paint to dry, I am looking too, and try to learn something about the geological history of the place or how the land might have evolved or eroded. I admire how those dignified oak trees have grown in a slow dance to accommodate the land and their neighboring trees. And I feel part of it. I would say, do you have a sequence, or else I would say, Johanna, would you please take the lead?
Okay, thank you. Hi, my name is Johanna Ely, and thank you, Judith, for inviting the poets to be here today.
Well, thank you, poets, for being here.
So, I wrote to this painting right there, the one with the rain coming down, and it's called May Rain, and I titled my poem the same. May Rain. Straight lines of rain slant down from purple and gray stained clouds. Across thirsty ochre hills, the glory of a spring downpour punctuates trees. Commas of white and pink flowers blossom and breathe among leaves. Drops of blue, lavender, and orange wildflowers with lush exclamations of new grasses border the winding path into the woods where unseen creatures wait until the storm passes. In the distance, silhouettes of a man and his dog walking the trail, raindrops on their tongues.
Yes.
I would say maybe Sherry, would you like to be next?
Excuse me.
The title of the painting is Deer Lake Oaks, and the title of my poem is Conversing. We know trees communicate with each other, but have humans decided that each species has its own language? Or do trees realize their common arboriality?
Yeah.